What's up everyone, it's Mickey with an X and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing a video on how to put on false eyelashes. One of my fellow friends wanted me to do a tutorial on how I put on these monsters. For me, I do makeup all the time and I wear false lashes. So these are not much of a difficult task for me particularly.
Why the fuck you lying?
But for you guys, probably won't be as easy. So yeah, today I am showing you guys how to put them on, as well as tips and tricks on how I make them comfortable as well as look good, basically. Okay, let's start. So in this video, I'll talk about the different styles of false lashes so that people who think they don't look good with false lashes can find out why they think it might not be for them. Okay, let's start with the style of lashes. These are my favorite brands of lashes. These lashes are from Red Cosmetics and they have cheap, affordable. Yeah, let's say affordable. If you're looking for affordable yet expensive looking lashes, check out Red. I think you might like it. These are my favorite kind of lashes. Doesn't have to be from this brand. These kinds of lash style is the one that I would go for. Because if you look at the ends of the lashes, they're longer as well as more voluminous compared to the front part of the lashes. This lash style is called PAPAWADI from the Red Cosmetics. These kind of lashes imitate a cat wing eyeliner even though you don't have them on. You want to have like elongated eyes and elongated eyelashes, you should go for these kind of lash style. So this is the second style of eyelashes. This lash style is called OHNMARDANTI by Red Cosmetic as well. I normally wouldn't go for them because people normally use these lash styles because they want to have bigger eyes. If you look at the eyelash, you can tell that the longest part of the eyelash is in the center. Wearing these lashes will make your eye seem This is a really juicy peach.
That's what she said.
Okay, let's continue. So as I was saying, if you want your eyes to look rounder and bigger, these type of lash style is the one that you should go for. These are the not so much daily ones. I wear these quite often. So while I was filming, the video cuts off by itself and I didn't realize I stopped recording. You know when I do these like very creative makeup looks where I need everything to look dramatic? These are what I would go for. Compared to the previous ones, these are huge, a lot thicker, a lot voluminous, and very spiky. So they make any makeup look really dramatic, very out there. If that's what you're going for, you can pick these. I wouldn't really recommend it if you're looking for daily wearing lashes because they're not as comfortable compared to the previous two. They look great, but it's just not as comfortable. So yeah, that concludes the type of lash style that I am normally used to. Okay, now let's talk about preparation. These are the new pairs I bought, so I haven't cut them to fit my eyeball. Yes, you need to cut your eyelashes. That's essential. Look at these lashes. Like, they wouldn't fit on my eyeball. They're too wide for my eyes, so I have to cut them so that they fit my eyeball. Let's start by taking them off. Be gentle, they're very, they can tear. You need to realize that the glue on the eyelashes are only stuck to the outsides. They're not in the center, so don't pull your lashes from the center. Firmly pick the ends of the lash until the glue is off. Now you can see that the center part has no glue. So now I'll do the same thing to the other side. See, it comes off easily. Now it's time to measure your false lash with your eyeball. So I have no glue on this strip of lash. I'll just put it on my eyelid. The eyelashes are too big because you can clearly see that it's going outside of the perimeter of my top eyelid. The extra part that's going outside is how much you should cut. I'm going to show you how much I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna cut about, can you see? But I'm gonna cut about 3 millimeters. How much is 3 millimeters? I don't know how, wait. I measured it with the ruler. Remember, do not cut your eyelash from the front. Cut them from the ends. I totally understand if you don't want to cut your lashes, but I swear to God, if you cut them to fit your eyeball, it will look a lot better. This is the after cutting the lashes. You can see that I don't look as sleepy as I did before I cut my lashes. I also feel more comfortable wearing these. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys how to put them on. I'm using dual lash glue, the clear white one. So I'm going to evenly coat the lash band. After I put on this even coat, I'm going to put tiny drops on each end, like a small amount, like that. Every time I wear lashes, they lift from only at the end, so you need to put on more glue at the end so that they don't lift. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other lash. You need to wait so that they get tacky. So you can clearly see that the lash glue is clear. That means I can put them on. The first rule of putting on lashes: have a small mirror below your face so that your eyes are looking down and that you have a clear vision of what you're doing. Using the tweezer, you're gonna hold the lash by the middle and drop it in the center of your eyelid. After that, you're gonna align the end of the lash band with the end of your eyelid. Now do the same thing to the front part. Make sure that you're sticking on the lash line and not on the actual lash, like what I'm doing. Don't do what I do, okay? Now it's time to secure your eyelash so that it's not flying everywhere. Make sure that you're using your index finger and your thumb to secure the lash onto your lash line. Now you may celebrate the fact that you've successfully put on a strip of eyelash. Putting false lash on the left eye has always been difficult for me because I'm right-handed. So I use the help of both hands to put on the eyelash. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. There you go. I tend to hold my lash at the end with my left hand so that it doesn't fall off my eyes while I'm fixing the front part. If you have lashes that just stick downwards, you can use these lash curler to curl your real lash and your false lashes together. Clump them together so that they stick to each other, and then put mascara on. That will help you blend your real lash and your false lashes. But wait, what if someone sees your skin underneath the lashes? That's where tight lining comes in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull my lash, I'm gonna fill in my tight line with this pencil. Be careful when you do this. That is how you wear false lashes. I hope you get something out of this tutorial. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, concerns, you can comment them down below. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to watch my previous video of my story time doing makeup on supermodels, the video will be up here. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye!